Today we just finished our test flights here in Le Bourget, where we flew fully electric, a nice route, and people were really wondering because they did not hear the vehicle at all. So you see big planes here, a lot of noise, but Volocopter was so silent. It's changing the way we will travel in urban cities in the future.
What will happen is we will take experienced helicopter pilots and also fixed-wing pilots, and we will teach them the differences to fly this aircraft. But the good news is it's very simple to fly. It has a very clever digital flight control system. So the irony is for helicopter pilots, they will have to unlearn many very clever skills and learn to fly an aircraft simply again, because it's much simpler to fly than, say, a helicopter.